Wake up! Wake up! Hey, buddy. Key West Police. Sir.
Key West Police.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Why are you sleeping back here?
I'm just chilling.
You're just chilling back here? Alright.
Sir, do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Can I see your ID, please, sir?
My ID?
Yes, sir. What?
Mm-hmm.
Key West Police, sir.
Oh, please.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
How's it going?
Oh, that's not good.
You got your ID on you, man?
I do not have my
No?
ID.
Alright.
I want to drink.
Lucas, how long have you lived in Key West?
9-7 switching
I've
to
been
2.
on this.
They're with them.
Well, they're the ones living here.
I just have
Did you hear what he said?
Yeah. Com 2 Paul 9-7.
You said most people know who you are? I was gonna say, this is a first for me.
Alright, Mr. Lucas, you're good to go, sir. Just don't come back to this property like she said, or you can be arrested, alright?
No problem.
Thank you very much for being nice to us.
Everybody's got something to do. And, you know what I'm saying? That's what you guys should do. That doesn't mean I have a disagreement with you. I know I didn't really, I mean, you could have, but I know I didn't really do anything wrong. And I know, like, being uncordial with your police is stupid.
Alright.
Yeah, it just never really ends well for anybody.
Right. You guys got cuffs. I don't.
You're good to go,
You know what
sir.
I'm saying? You guys got cuffs. I don't got no cuffs.
It's alright. And then...
It's them, and this is, because it's been multiple days.
You want them trespassed too?
Yeah, like, we want them, like,
White.
gone. But they said that the car doesn't even have, like, the battery, like,
The car doesn't work.
Yeah,
You can
like
tow it.
that.
You can tow it. They have to get off the property.
This is,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's your all's property. You're allowed to tow vehicles.
okay.
After speaking with the property owner, who confirmed they wanted to press charges, officers moved forward. But as they continued the investigation, they came across something that reminded them of a prior encounter, someone they recognized from before.
Hello. I'm Officer Vanderhoof with the Key West Police Department. Can you add the car to the call? So, the manager of the property is
Yes,
saying...
I know. I wasn't here. I've been trying to get a tow. I just got a jump, and I'm waiting for a jump. And I'm here with roadside assistance. I'm trying to get out of here.
Okay. You're good to go, sir. You're good to go. I know. They're saying you've been here for a couple days. Whatever. Do you guys have IDs on you? Can I see them, please?
Are you guys originally from Kentucky?
I am. Yeah, I'm helping her out, trying to get her to some help.
How long have y'all been in Key West?
Me, I've been here for about 4 days now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I've been here a few days longer, and I saw he needed help. I have my ID on my phone, and I have my spare because they stole my wallet. That's why I don't have an ID. I don't have pretty much anything.
So,
And I have a name and date of birth.
how long have you been in Key West?
I've been here a few days longer than that.
What's that?
I've been here a few days longer than that.
You just moved down here?
No, I wasn't moving. I was thinking about moving down here, yeah.
You were just on vacation and a car broke down?
Yeah, no, actually, yeah. It was an accident. It's just been a bad look after bad luck.
So what's going on with the car?
It just, every time it goes, my jack broke, but I didn't, so the thing that opens it, the lug nut, right? It's called lug nut that opens it, and it broke. So the Mexicans actually helped me today. Because I've been on the phone, I have the money, I really did have the money. I just made the payment, I made another payment. I'm trying to fix this, because I've been paying for care for like, you know, I have full coverage.
Right.
And I got this, the roadside assistance. And they haven't really, there was something wrong with it. I have to And I haven't been able to turn on the phone. It got wet, and I haven't been able to fully charge it.
Yeah, that's definitely an unfortunate situation.
I've been trying to help him out, so I met him in town, so he was having problems with the car.
I have full coverage, it's just the tires and coverage. And they still have money in it.
No worries.
Yeah.
Remember from briefing this morning?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's them?
Yes. It's the same people.
You
I'm
guys
still waiting on
about the
this.
Samuels house?
No.
His house. I've never heard of him.
So we were gonna offer if you wanted to go out to Samuel's house with your son.
Oh, what is that?
It's just like a shelter for you, or cause she was involved in it. I'm still waiting.
Yes, I was involved in the accident.
9-4, go ahead.
That's fine.
Maybe that might be good for you.
And he just got here from Kentucky. I really didn't want to leave him on the streets.
Right.
I've been hanging out
I
with
don't know,
him.
he's got nothing to do with anything. He just got here. If you guys want to help him do it, that's possible.
I don't know if they have
Happy
one.
thing,
They
switching
have
back to one.
the thing out in Stock Island's all I know of.
9-4 back on one. No, so
That's
we were
fine.
offering if you wanted to go out to Samuel's house with your son. It's pretty much a shelter for women that have been involved in domestic violence.
Okay, well, that's pretty much what happened, but it wasn't physical abuse. It was just where I was before. I was just getting away from there.
You're speaking really quiet.
Before, I haven't been in any domestic violence.
Okay. I mean, it's just
But
an offer. It's just from what I recall and everything.
Well,
Right, so they don't want you on the property anymore.
I don't want to be on the property.
So you guys...
But I need to be able to move this car because I got my stuff in it, and
I know.
I do have things I sell. I got things I sell. I just got these.
I know.
So I really do.
I know, but here's the thing. They want you trespassed from the property, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
So that means you guys have...
In the back of
Yes, ma'am.
You guys
I have your ID.
have to leave.
Okay.
So,
I'll take the shelter.
can you want to bring her, or do you want me to? I don't...
It doesn't matter.
You wanna
So
give me
you
the
want to go to
address?
the shelter?
I mean, I can check it out. I can walk. How far is it?
We'd probably have to
10
give you
minutes.
a ride.
About 10 minutes, give or take. But
You
it would
and your
just
son.
be for you and your son.
But if I can fix my car, though, I'm almost fixing it.
Well,
Well, right now,
you guys have to get off the property.
Okay.
So,
Okay. That's okay. I get it. I
okay.
understand.
So, you want to go with? You want to go?
I mean, I need to go for a few minutes. I don't. Yeah.
After informing her that the property owners didn't want them there, officers took a look inside the car, and what they found was alarming. The vehicle was filthy, filled with debris, and crawling with cockroaches. Inside, an 8-year-old boy was found asleep, covered in infected sores and showing clear signs of neglect. That's when officers immediately called child services to the scene.
It's up to date?
Yep.
Okay. What are all the marks on him?
That's he's been doing that. It's the sun.
No. Call DCF. Have them. I'll call.
They already saw him. I saw
DCF?
Yes, they saw him.
When did they see him?
They saw him a few days ago here in the Keys. I haven't been running. My phone just got wet. I haven't been able to turn on my phone. I mean, I saw them, and 2 days later, we were on the boat, and then I did have a place to stay. I just didn't want to leave my car like this. So the people that were there, they left. The people I was with, So I split up with them because of this. He's a blue collar karate. He was an honor student. I do my best I can. I was working, and then this happened. So I'm 13, and everything's fine with me. I do have my hemp oil there. Everybody's seen it. Everybody knows about it. I put my hand in implemented CBD and THC. So I take in. So I put it on my hand for my arthritis from my car accident. I'm tired. I live in. My family continued back. His father, about 6 months ago, my mom got sick. I was taking care of her, and then I didn't have a babysitter, and I figured, hey, I have a place to stay in the Keys. I do. I have a place to stay in the Keys. They gave me a place to stay in. That's what
Where were you staying at?
I am staying in Long Key.
Okay, Long Key.
So I can get going, but I need to fix the car. I'm not going to take the car in any of this condition, not even in that spare tire. I need to fix my tire. I'm just not going to drive in a spare tire all the way from here to Long Key. I have full coverage. I have car care. I have roadside assistance. I have enough to do to be able to cover me for this.
Did y'all come down to Key West to visit? Because I know he said he's been in there for about 4 days. Is that how long y'all been down here?
No, I've been here a little longer. I was out. And I came back here last night. And it had been low. And I was trying to fix it last night. And I was just like, I took this off in the back. Because they had to take out everything out of the back anyway. I was camping. I've been camping all down the Keys. I have a place to stay. I have a place to stay in Miami. I have a place to stay at my sister's house. I'm just in transition. I just left my home. I have a place to stay. I just came down here and I'm down adventures on the beach. I'm just trying to make the best out of a bad situation.
It's understandable.
So I came back down here and for 3 days I've been stuck without my phone. I just got it turned on. I can turn it on and off because it got wet. It doesn't let me charge it. So I've got 23% of the release.
So what's going on with this this crash? Like I've heard like I don't know anything about it.
I crashed the car, so the car has no tire. Just since the car messed up, that's my problem.
Okay.
Instead I moved it. I was trying to move it. I got it to move. We were moving it so I can get it to my friend's house. Well, not my friend's house. Someone that was trying to help me.
Right.
So it didn't until we parked it here. My phone just turned on. I made a payment like I showed you.
Okay. All right.
I've been trying. I've been on the phone. It turns off. I went. I got a jumper cable. They gave me this charger. Something's wrong with the starter now. I don't know. So I have customer care. So I guess I'm gonna have to name it in the insurance.
Okay. All right. Understood.
Is he gonna, have you brought him to the doctor at all? Because this is like, when was the last time? Because this is like way worse. Listen, I'm talking, please. This is way different than we saw him the other day. That was not there. Have you brought him to the doctor?
Well, I had to get out of here to go to his doctor. I don't have a doctor here.
Why don't you go to the hospital then? Or the urgent care? Or try to go to the clinic. We have a free clinic here.
Well, I don't know anything about this place.
Don't you think you should maybe check into that then? Do you got water for him?
Yes, I have water right here.
Okay. I need him to wake up, though. Here's the thing. I know he's tired,
Max.
but I need him to wake up so we can talk to him.
Maximus, you have to wake up and talk to me.
Later, officers arrested Maggie, 44, and charged her with child neglect after police say her 8-year-old son was found living in a roach-infested car in unsafe conditions. Authorities say the child was discovered covered in infected sores and was taken to the hospital before being placed in the care of child services. Maggie was taken into custody and remains held on a $10,000 bond as the case moves forward. Investigators say multiple prior encounters had already raised concerns before the situation escalated to this point. What's your take on situations like this? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more real-world case breakdowns.